Gandhi, who had, along with Sonia, pushed for this aggressive line, and also that is the two of them have told the rest of the party that please go ahead and also push the food security and the land acquisition bill. They're saying let's not be apologetic anymore. We have very little time left to govern. Let's do what we can to save the image of the government. Hence this all-out aggression, and this orders have come straight from the highest authorities in the Congress.
Right, certainly a new body language, so to see, that the Congress that is being seen now projected by the Congress. We also have Vishal Monga with us of the phone line in Chandigarh. Vishal, do give us the latest on the protests that are happening, essentially organized by the BJP in Chandigarh, asking for the resignation of the railway minister.
Yeah, that's true. BJP is trying to put pressure on Pawan Bansal and his family. They want that Pawan Bansal should resign. Today they had a dharna outside the house, outside the office of CBI, asking the CBI to interrogate Pawan Bansal in this whole scam. Now they wanted the CBI officials should come out and tell them when will they interrogate Pawan Bansal on this whole issue, and that is why outside the CBI office there was a large protest by BJP workers. Just within few minutes at around 3:30, BJP MP, former MP Satpal Jain is holding a press conference telling new details about the alleged link of Pawan Bansal and Vijay Singla. We are right now outside Thion Pharmaceutical, who is the flagship company of Pawan Bansal and family. Here we were told that there were some officials which had come to collect some documents, which has not been confirmed by the sources as of now. So overall, at Chandigarh, the whole issue of Pawan Bansal and his resignation is really high on the agenda of BJP, and they want Pawan Bansal should resign as soon as possible, because the final beneficiary of the bribery was Pawan Bansal.
Right, Vijay Lakshmi, as you can see, those protests that are happening on the streets of Chandigarh, and some protests we get to hear happening in Kanpur as well. Protesters there clashing with the police, but the BJP's without the CBI's investigation having reached a final concluding stage, BJP's strong accusation there that's coming in that the eventual money trail does lead up to the railway minister. BJP is still maintaining that stance.
That is happening, the entire controversy from the day one. BJP has been asking that Pawan Kumar Bansal should resign and the money trail somewhere ends at his office only. So that is what the accusation, that is what the allegation basically by BJP. But well, Congress strategy is quite clear. The core committee meeting that took place day before yesterday, that clearly conveys the message to all the Congress leadership that we need to be aggressive inside the house and we need to be aggressive outside the house. And that is what, when Manish Tiwari briefed the media person, that could have been seen in his body language, the way he said that we can't make somebody guilty of something until or unless the investigation is continuing in a particular case. That is what he has been saying, and there has not been, his body language was enough to convey what Congress strategy in coming days is going to be. Well, at the moment also Congress leaders are quite adamant that let's not talk about anything until or unless CBI does not come with a conclusive word on Mr. Pawan Kumar Bansal. So that is what Congress strategy is at the moment, to be, not to be defensive, to be offensive, to be aggressive, and as the BJP has been saying that Congress has brought the food security bill on the floor of the house because it wanted the attention to be diverted from the corruption issues to the food security. It wanted its image to be diverted from a corrupt government to be a pro-poor government. So that seems to be a strategy, and Congress very smartly has been able to do that. And we know that how yesterday, after JPC, a resolution on extension of JPC, how Congress put the food security bill. Nobody was expecting that food security bill would be tabled in the parliament yesterday itself, but we have seen that how Congress very smartly put it forwarded, and today also we have seen that how there has been, if we talk about the food security bill, what
we have to leave it at that. Vijay Lakshmi, many thanks, as well as Priya Sehgal here in the news studio, and Vishal Monga giving us the latest of those protests that are happening in Chandigarh against Pawan Bansal.